Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing options available on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!